Today we will show you the best ways to fix your controller issues on PC. Let's dive in. Method 1. Try a different port. Sometimes the port where you are connecting the controller can be faulty. This can be the reason why it is not working. So connect it to a different port and check if it works now. You can use a 3.0 USB port if your controller is new. Method 2. Disable and re-enable Gamepad driver. Disabling and re-enabling the Gamepad driver can help reset its connection, potentially resolving conflicts or temporary malfunctions. Here is how to do it. Press Windows + R keys, type dev.mgmt.msc and press Enter. Locate the Gamepad driver in the device manager. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. Wait for about a minute. Then right-click on the driver again and select Enable Device. Restart your PC. Method 3. Change USB hub power option. Changing the USB hub power option ensures that your computer doesn't automatically turn off the device to save power, which can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Now here is how to change the power option. Open Device Manager, expand USB serial bus controllers, right-click on the USB root hub driver and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to save changes. Method 4. Disable USB Selective Suspend setting. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Then set the View by option to large or small icons. Select Power Options. Select Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Locate USB Settings, expand it, and then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. Select Disable for USB Selective Suspend. Click Apply and then OK to save changes. Method 5. Check the controller settings in Steam. If you are playing a game on Steam and having issues with the controller, then here are a few tweaks you can perform to fix the controller issue. Open Steam Settings, open Controller. Click on the Begin Test button next to Test Device Inputs. Begin the test to check if Steam has detected your controller and it's working. Make sure to turn on the feature for the controller you are using. Turn on Enable Steam Input for generic controllers. If you are using an Xbox controller, turn on Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Also, set the idle gamepad shutdown timeout is set to never because if it is set to a given time period, the controller will shut down after that particular time and it will not be working. So set it to never. Once done, click on the Downloads tab from the left pane. Then click on the Clear Cache button next to Clear Download Cache. Click on Confirm. Once the cache is cleared, restart Steam. Next, you can enable or disable Enable Steam Input, which can potentially resolve compatibility issues. First, make sure the controller is connected to your PC via a wired connection. Confirm that Steam properly detects your controller. To do that, navigate to Steam Library and right-click on the game. Select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Controller tab and find the drop-down menu next to Override for the specific game. Select Disable Steam Input from the menu if it is enabled. You can also enable the option if it is disabled. This activates the Steam Input feature for your PlayStation controller. Restart Steam. Then launch the game and check. If you are planning games through the Epic Games launcher and want to check or tweak the controller settings, you will need to download the Steam app and link your Epic Games account to Steam. Once linked, you can tweak the controller settings through Steam as per the Epic Games launcher itself doesn't provide controller customization options directly. This way, you can enjoy a more seamless experience while playing your Epic Game titles when the controller is having issues. Method 6. Check individual game settings. If you are still having controller issues, try launching the game and check the in-game settings menu. Make sure controller support is enabled and that the input mappings are properly configured. This can help resolve any controller-related problems you might be experiencing. The settings will vary from game to game. Method 7. Update the controller driver. The next thing you can do is update the controller driver. Sometimes due to outdated drivers, the controller may not work. Here is how you can update different controller drivers. For PlayStation and Xbox controllers, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Find your PS5 on Xbox controller, right-click on the controller and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If a new driver is available, it will be installed. After updating, restart your PC and test the controller. For third-party controllers, open Device Manager. Locate the controller under Human Interface Devices, Sound, Video and Game Controllers or other devices. Now, the rest of the process is the same. You need to right-click on the controller entry and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for the latest drivers online and install them if available. If no drivers are found, visit the manufacturer's website for your third-party controller to download and install the latest drivers manually. Once done, restart your PC and test the controller to ensure it's working correctly. If not, then reinstall the drivers. Open Device Manager again, locate the controller driver, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Follow the prompts and then restart your PC. Reconnect the controller and check if it works. Method 8. Charge the controller. Ensure that your controller has enough charge to function properly. If the battery level is low or nearly empty, your controller may not respond at all. To avoid interruptions, charge your controller for a while before attempting to use it again. This applies to Xbox, PS5 and most third-party controllers. Once charged, your controller should work as expected. Method 9. Reset the controller. If the previous methods didn't fix the issue and the controller is still not working, reset the controller. Disconnect the wireless controller from the official USB cable. On the back of your controller, you will find a tiny hole. The reset button is inside this hole. Use a small unfolded paper clip or something similar to press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds. Your controller should now have been reset. Connect your controller to the PC again using the official USB cable. Now pair your controller with the PC again and recheck. Method 10. Request for a repair. If the previous fixes didn't help you, then you can contact the Xbox, PlayStation or the respective controller's support team for a repair of the controller. For PS support, you can visit the official PS repairing page. For Xbox support, visit this page and choose the right options to convey your problem. And that's it. That was how to fix the issue when the game controllers or gamepads not working on your PC. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below to share which method helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.